In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drop a pin in Apple Maps. Whether you need to remember a location or share it with friends, this is a handy skill that will make navigation a breeze. So let's get started right away. First, you'll want to ensure you have your device nearby and Apple Maps is installed. Now, go ahead and open the Apple Maps app. You can find the app icon on your home screen. It looks like a colourful map with a little red location marker icon on it. Once you have it open, you should see a map of your current location or the last place you searched for. Next, it's time to find the location where you'd like to drop your pin. You can do this by simply zooming in or out and dragging the map until you find the specific spot you're interested in. If you know an address, you can also use the search bar at the bottom of the screen to locate it quickly. Just type in the name of the place, hit search, and voila, it should pop right up on your map. Now that you've located the desired spot, here's a quick and simple way to drop a pin. Tap and hold on the location on the map. Yes, it's that easy. As you hold your finger on the area, you'll see a pin drop onto the map. This indicates the spot you've selected. An information card will also appear at the bottom of your screen, detailing the pin's location. Once the pin is dropped, you can view the location and its details right from that info card. This card is a handy tool as it lets you save or share the spot with just a few additional taps. Tap on the info card itself to see more options. Here, among other possibilities, you can label the pin for easier identification later on. You could name it something memorable like best coffee shop or start of hiking trail. Additionally, through the info card, you have the option to add the pin to your favorites for quick access next time you open Apple Maps. Want to share the location with friends or family? No problem, you can you can easily send the location via messages, mail, or other social apps of your choice. If you're heading to this location or planning a trip from it, you can also get directions directly from the info card. This might be useful if you're coordinating with others or planning your daily route. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to manage and share locations using Apple Maps. With just a few steps, dropping a pin becomes a seamless part of your navigation toolkit. Thanks for watching and happy mapping.